Hi everyone, I'm Julie. Today I'm going to show you how to make brownie bites. They're one of my favorite snacks and they're super simple to pull together. You can make a batch at the beginning of the week, store them in the freezer, and then when you have a little craving for chocolate or need a little extra energy, that can be your go-to. Really easy to pull together with just a few simple ingredients and a food processor, but what you'll need are some almonds, some medjool dates, and I have these soaking in warm water, hemp seeds, cacao powder, and then protein powder. I'm also going to add in a little bit of salt and then of course cinnamon because I love cinnamon. So all you need to do is start grinding down your almonds first. So I'll throw those into the food processor. And then just cover and let it go. It's going to be a little loud. So it's going to be a little chunky, and you're going to want to pulse it a bit just to get it a little finer. It doesn't need to be completely broken down, but you want it to be small enough to where you're not going to just bite into a huge almond when you eat these. So after you've gotten the desired consistency with your nuts, what you're going to do is add in the other dry ingredients. So that is the hemp seeds, cacao powder, protein powder, a little bit of salt, lots of cinnamon, but again, that's just me. You can adjust to taste on that. Then you're going to go ahead and give this another whirl just to get them all mixed up. So that looks good. Then you're going to add in your medjool dates. And again, I have these soaking in water so they soften up a bit and make it easy to incorporate. And I'm going to start with 10 and see if that's enough, and if not, I'll add in additional. And then save this water as well because you might need to add a little bit of it to make it stick together. So now we'll put our lid back on, and I'm just going to turn it on. So I can see it's coming together, but it's still pretty dry. So I am going to add in my 2 additional dates. So it's going to start coming together in the processor, and you're just going to want to let it keep going until it all forms into a single ball. Okay, so it is all pulled together on one side of this food processor. So I think it is ready to go. Yep, that looks good. So what you're going to do is, I no longer need this water. So you're just going to get a container to put it in. And if you have a little scooper, you can just scoop some out, put it in your hand, and give it a roll. I try to make them round, but my palms aren't round. So that's it. Little ball. Get another scoop. And then you'll just do this until you have used up all of your batter, so to speak. And then you can again pop these in the freezer. You could certainly keep them in the fridge as well. I like to put mine in the freezer, it just seems to last better, and just pull out a few at a time. Let them defrost if you want, but honestly, you can chew through these no problem, even when they're in the freezer. So that's it. Brownie balls, brownie bites. Super easy, super fun. I love making balls. They're so versatile, so I'm sure I will be making more videos of other ones. Some more I like to create are cranberry chocolate chip balls, and those have similar ingredients, but oats and cranberries and chocolate chips, of course, because I love them. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them for me. I'd be happy to hear from you. And have a great day.